No air conditioning? No budget? What are the styles when it comes to kitchen design? You have contemporary, classic, and transitional. But what makes them different? Hello, my name is François. Welcome to our E-SPACE. Let's start with the contemporary. It can be referred to also as sleek or modern design. This concept comes directly from Europe, and it can be characterized with very simple lines. It's usually made with a slab door, which is a one-piece door, and also very minimalist in design. Other features that also make it very contemporary is the hardware. It's usually very simple, discreet, sometimes even integrated or absent. In the classic, you'll have more refined details. In the door that will be selected, you'll have different types of styles. In those styles, you'll have different types of profiles. In the center panels, you'll have raised panels or flat panel as an option. Also, usually the hardware is demonstrated on the door like a piece of jewelry. And you'll also have more options in the top moldings and ornaments for hoods and accessories architecturally. The texture is usually more imposing. A natural stone with lots of movement and texture is used for the classic style. As for the transitional kitchen, it's a mix of contemporary and classics merged together. So for the door, usually it's a combination of slab door and also shaker door. The shaker door is usually a flat frame with a flat center. Usually you will create a more linear design. You'll be able to add also very simple molding and also hardware. It's a more versatile style that you'll have a wider range to adapt to multiple different home designs. At the end of the day, what's important for your dream kitchen is that it reflects your personal style and that it's in sync with the architectural features of your home. Hopefully this tip was useful. To learn more, visit our E-SPACE. My name is François. Have a great day.